Yes, Stan.
Yes, Gary.
Your remarks about the unions tonight.
Yes, Gary.
Bit of a dribble, isn't it?
Why, Gary?
You know, I'm a proud trade unionist.
Very good.
Got from life, I've got through the union.
You what?
What I've got in life, I've got through the union.
And what do you have in life, Gary?
A lovely lifestyle.
A lovely lifestyle.
Yeah.
And what do you...
I think I'd have a better lifestyle than what you would have.
Well, tell me about it, Gary.
I've got no qualms at all about the union movement.
Really?
That's right.
Are you a union leader?
I'm a union official.
I see you're a union official, so you're the bludger that sort of sends the men out on strike.
Here we go again. Can't you talk to people without being insulting?
Well, no, I just think that...
I didn't insult you.
No, well, I insulted you, Gary. That's all right, Gary.
Do you get off on that, do you?
No, I just called you a bludger.
Can't you have a proper conversation without calling people names?
Gary, it's all right, son. I know you feel upset.
You don't need to call me son. I'm not your son.
No, thankfully for that.
Well, probably would. Probably do.
You what?
It would probably be that way too.
No.
On my side.
Well, anyway, Gary, so you're really happy in the union, are you?
I most certainly am.
Oh, well, that's good. Well, I'm really pleased about that.
You know, I don't have to cower down to anybody to get a job.
No, of course not. You just bludgeon the boss into submission all the time.
Can't you talk without having to be nasty?
No, see, you just said you don't have to kowtow down for a job, and I was just making the assumption, Gary, that what you do is bludgeon the boss into submission.
I honestly think you get it off with that.
I beg your pardon?
I think you honestly get it off by talking to people like they're pigs.
Well, I mean, most union leaders are pigs.
Can't you talk to people decently?
Yes, I can. To decent people.
You know.
Are you a decent person?
I think I am.
Well, that's your assumption.
A criminal record.
But that's your assumption, though.
I don't.
That's your assumption. You believe you're a wonderful person.
Dan, I don't have a criminal record, do you?
Well, if you're a union leader, let me tell you, you have a criminal record.